Today, I'll show you how to see your Steam year in review. If you're an avid gamer, you're probably curious about all the hours you've spent immersed in your favorite games over the past year, and Steam offers a great way to reflect on that with its year in review feature. Whether you're looking to reminisce or simply curious about your gaming habits, this guide will help you navigate through your Steam account to view your personal gaming recap. Let's dive in. First, let's get started by opening the Steam app on your computer. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. Steam is a popular platform for gaming, and many of us spend countless hours playing there, so finding this summary can be both enlightening and fun. If you haven't already installed Steam, you can download it from their official website. Once you have the app open, you'll be looking at the main interface where you can access your library, the store, and more. Next, look at the top of the app's interface. Here, you'll find your profile name. This area is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile name will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options related to your account. This is your gateway to accessing personal stats and settings, such as your account details, badges, and of course, your year in review. Once you've accessed the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Steam Replay. The Steam Replay is where you'll find a detailed overview of your gaming activities over the past year. It's a feature designed to give you insights into your gaming patterns, listing games you've played the most, achievements unlocked, and more. Clicking on Steam Replay will take you to a page that's tailored just for you. Here, you'll be able to see a comprehensive summary of your gaming year. This includes the number of games played, the most played game, and even lesser-known details like the longest gaming streak you've had. It's a great way to see how your gaming habits have evolved and what sorts of games have captured your attention the most. There you have it. You've successfully accessed your Steam year in review. This feature is not only a fun way to reflect on your gaming journey, but also a useful tool for tracking gaming trends and personal achievements. You might even discover some surprising statistics about your gaming preferences. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now you can easily revisit your gaming highlights anytime you want. Enjoy exploring your past year in gaming, and perhaps even setting new goals for the next. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.